all-new cordless auto curler by Youthy Glamour. With this auto curler, you can get up to 4 different size curls. This is how you would power on your auto curler. Push this button up here and press the power button. Here you'll see your temperature gauge and your amount of seconds. There's a left and right button depending on what side you want the curl to go.
Power on your device. To change the settings, you'll hit the power button twice. Once you see it blink, you'll use the right arrow button to change the settings.
So this is how the device works. Grab small strands of hair and place on one side of the wand. Use the right curl button if you want the curl to go away from the face. Hold the button down until it stops spinning. Once you hear the beep, you can release your finger. Once you hear 2 beeps, it is done. Pull the curl out. Today, we're going to show you how to achieve 4 different size curls. We have our Youthy Auto Curler preset at 300, 320, 360, and 390. We also offer our multi-use comb and our Youthy hair clips. The Youthy Curler has a ceramic coating around the barrel so it does not damage your hair. Got the hair stuck, so this is how you would work it out of the device. If your hair gets tangled in the wand, turn off the wand. And for easier access, you may remove this rose gold tip to pull it out. These settings that we are showing you here today may need to be adjusted depending on your hair type. Through it or a brush. To achieve a loose curl, you'll set your Youthy curler at 390 for 8 seconds. Like to curl your hair from midway down, you can do so. Simply keep tension on the hair, choose your starting point. Be sure to keep the tension on this back hair as it goes inside the rod. And hold the rod still in an upright position. Start out at 300 degrees Fahrenheit at 8 seconds. So this time we're going to do 340 at 10 seconds.